Hey, what's up? The Chinese manufacturer UMIDIGI announced the new smartphone called UMIDIGI A5 Pro. Have you noticed that all the latest phones from UMIDIGI look similar to each other? UMIDIGI S3 Pro, UMIDIGI F1, UMIDIGI F1 Play, UMIDIGI Power, and now UMIDIGI A5 Pro. All of them have similar design with Waterdrop notch above the display. However, UMIDIGI A5 Pro has glass back panel. Another feature of a new smartphone is triple ultra-wide-angle camera on the back. This is a new feature of all flagship phones in 2019, and now budget device from UMIDIGI has it. So let's make first review of UMIDIGI A5 Pro. By the way, you can get this smartphone for free. I leave the link to giveaway in description under the video. As I already said, UMIDIGI A5 Pro has a similar design to previous smartphone, UMIDIGI Power. New phone has the same dimensions because of the same display size. From other side, the rear panel of UMIDIGI A5 Pro is made of 2.5D curved glass. Also, new mobile device is available in beautiful color, breathing crystal. The phone has slot for dual SIM and dedicated slot for microSD. It is equipped with 3.5mm audio jack, but there is only microUSB port. It is a little strange, because the previous models had USB Type-C ports. Talking about the display, it has a diagonal of 6.3 inches and Full HD Plus resolution. It seems that UMIDIGI A5 Pro has the same display as UMIDIGI F1. We already made full review of UMIDIGI F1, and it really has a good screen. Another difference of UMIDIGI A5 Pro compared to other UMIDIGI phones is processor. A new smartphone is powered by Helio P23 chipset. UMIDIGI A5 Pro is a budget device, but it has quite good processor. The phone scores about 90,000 points in Antutu. We have already tested many smartphones on this processor, for example Cubot X19, and all of them run the latest Android games very well. You can easily play PUBPYOO Mobile on UMIDIGI A5 Pro. The smartphone also has 4GB of RAM and 32GB of internal memory. Yes, 32GB of storage is not so much, but the phone has a dedicated slot for microSD memory card. Another feature of UMIDIGI phone is Android 9.0 Pie. This is a global version of Android with multi-language support and Google services. Perhaps the most interesting point of UMIDIGI A5 Pro is camera. The smartphone has triple camera on the back, 16MP main sensor with f1.8 aperture, 8MP ultra-wide-angle camera and 5MP sensor for depth effect. As you know, ultra-wide-angle camera is the main trend among flagship phones in 2019. Now the budget phone UMIDIGI A5 Pro has this feature. It is great. The front camera has a 16MP sensor with f2.0 aperture. The battery of UMIDIGI A5 Pro has a capacity of 4150 mAh. The manufacturer promises up to 2 days of battery life, and I believe this because the smartphone has energy-efficient processor. From other side, it has only microUSB port and 10W charging. The phone will charge quite long. The global sale of UMIDIGI A5 Pro will begin on May 21st. Right now you can pre-order the phone for $152. However, I recommend you not to hurry up. I don't know what the price will be, but it will be less for sure. Moreover, you can get the prices of UMIDIGI A5 Pro, S3 Pro, F1 Play, Power and A3 and win free smartphones. In total, there will be 18 winners and 18 free phones from UMIDIGI. I will leave the link to giveaway in description. Thanks for watching this video. See you next time.